Hello, David here at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Today we have a 2024 Sea Ray 21 SPX. Also, we have a white hull, Sea Ray blue side color. There's a water sports tower above my head, galvanized trailer, dual axle below. This boat has the tieless fenders. The fenders just clip right in here and easily untie. No need for knots. Anybody can do it. Move to the back of the boat. We have a nice swim platform with our sea deck. Let's get up on top. I'll show you the rest. Okay, we're going to jump on the inside of the boat. I'm up here in the bow with plenty of room. There is a bow filler cushion that will make this all closed in. We have an anchor locker right up front here. Handles on the side. As I pass through on the port side, we have storage. A lockable glove box. And of course our port side lounger seat. Right now I have it leaning forward so you can look at your riders aft. You can also have it back to look you're going forward. The ski locker under my feet. Our captain's chair will slide front to back and swivel. Up here on the dashboard we have our Fusion stereo system, our Simrad dashboard, our tilt steering, our switches, and our binnacle. So a lot of other great features on this boat. Come on down, we'll show you the rest.